Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Arctic Fox. It's 992. It's a dry bath camper. If you look at the front here on it, it's got the one piece down the front, no seams, all the way down the front. This one has the power jack, electric jacks. If you look over here, they got all the screws for the side. This one has the bigger propane tanks on a tray to pull them out. Plug-ins here. This one's solar ready, LED lights all around the inside and outside. Place for 2 batteries. Come around the back here. This one has the generator on board, the place to plug in your barbecue, the ladder for the top. It's got a backup camera, more lights across the back, speakers on the outside. This has the landing, it's easy to go in inside. When you walk in the door, you got a skylight above your head there. Fully walk-on roof. Dinette here, makes into a bed. Big sink over here. Lots of cabinets. This one has the oven. Nicer burners. Microwave. You can see up here you got your air conditioner. And this one in here is the dry bath. So you can see the shower is separate from the toilet area. This one has a bigger fridge. Bed up front, storage all around the front up there with some ports to plug your phone in. Wardrobes on both sides of the bed. And this one does have solar. And if you have any other questions, you give me a call. My number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.